If you're experiencing login issues with PasswordSafe 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that the caps lock key is not enabled. Step 2. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use sRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Update the application. Make sure you are using the latest version of PasswordSafe 2026. Check for updates in the App Store or on the official website and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you are using a mobile version, go to your device settings, find PasswordSafe, and clear the cache and data. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Step 5. Reinstall the application. If the problem persists, uninstall and then reinstall the PasswordSafe application. This can help fix any installation-related issues that may be causing login problems. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.